guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be going to install and configure a caching proxy server. Let's get started. Click on System, then General Setup. Verify that you have entered a correct hostname, as we will be going to need it in a while. Click on System, and then Package Manager. Click on Available Package tab, then search for Squid. Squid is a high-performance web proxy cache. By using Squid, we can optimize browsing experience and save bandwidth. Click on Install, then Confirm. While the installation is ongoing, please don't leave or refresh the page. Once done, click on Services and then Proxy Server. Before enabling Squid, let's go ahead and configure local cache first. In the cache replacement policy, select LFUDA. You can also select other options. Click the eye icon to view more information about each options. I'll leave the default for low and high water marker settings. In the Do Not Cache option, you can enter the domain names of the website that you don't want Squid to cache. For the external cache managers, enter IP addresses you want to grant permission to manage this proxy cache. Let's configure hard disk cache settings. In the hard disk cache size, enter the amount of storage in megabytes that you want to allocate as cache storage. Since I am using only VirtualBox, I'll set this as 1000 megabytes for now. In the cache system, select AUFS. You can also check for other options by clicking on the eye icon. Then set other options, as you have seen in the video. Make sure Cache Dynamic Content is clicked. Then enter the following custom refresh pattern. You can find this from the link in my description. Click on the Save button. You can also set up a network antivirus with Squid, but we are not doing it this time. Click on General tab, then enable Squid Proxy. You can also choose to listen in both IPv4 and IPv6. Scroll down and make sure LAN is selected in the proxy interface. In the outgoing interface, you can select the default interface, or 1. By default, Squid will listen on port 3128. Make sure Allow Users in this interface is selected. In the alternate DNS settings, enter the server's IP address. Then make sure Transparent Proxy is selected. This will allow clients to connect to this proxy server without the need for individual browser configuration. Leave the SSL filtering disabled. We will be going to use firewall level content filtering later. Make sure logging is enabled. This will make sure we see browsing logs in the future. In the visible hostname, enter the hostname of the server. Then follow other settings as you see in the video. Then hit save. You can go to the dashboard to check if Squid is now running. Go back to Services, then Squid Proxy Server. Click on Status to check for the proxy server status. As you can see, we have errors in External Cache Manager. In the current version of pFsense, you might encounter this bug. To fix this, go ahead to the General tab, scroll down at the bottom, and change the visible hostname to your server's IP address. After saving, go ahead to the status and check if caching is now working. As you can see, Squid now started serving cache to our clients. Then let's try browsing the internet. As you can see, at first visit websites try to load longer. But Squid saved a cache copy of it in the server, so the next person who visit the same website again, a cached copy of it will be served from the server and not from the internet. This process saves a lot of bandwidth and speeds up browsing. Let me show you the directory where Squid cache is saved. As you can see, these are all the folders where browsing cache is saved. In production, you can set up larger cache storage for optimum performance. You can see the real-time browsing logs from the Squid Real-Time tab. Let's install another tool for reporting. Search for LightSquid and install it. LightSquid is a high-performance proxy reporting tool that we need to get the job done. After installing, go ahead and click on Status, then Proxy Reports. LightSquid operates in port 7445. You can change this one as needed. You can also set up the username and password for accessing LightSquid. The default is admin and pFsense. Then scroll down to the bottom and hit Save. Then click on Open LightSquid button to open LightSquid interface. You will be asked to enter the username and password. Here you can see a lot of valuable information, such as websites visited per IP, top website visited per month, and you can even view graphs as part of the report. That's it. You have now set up a caching proxy server. In the next episode, we will be going to set up a content filtering system. Stay tuned and peace.